Hey YouTubers, it's Bruce here again from the cool Geerage. I am going to carry on another smoking video. This time we are going to be doing a little beer can chicken. It is our favorite of all chicken smoked. This is the way we love it the most, and these are a few of the ingredients that we use. Obviously this is the liquid aspect of it, and the beer can, what I do instead, of course, good old Canadian beer here for Canadian kids. I use a steel coffee mug instead of the actual beer can itself. I find I can fill it up a little more liquid, and what I do is I prepare it with I cut up some onion, and I've taken the liberty of already looking at this. You want to get in closer to see inside there. You can see inside we've got the onions and we've got some lemon in there, and again down here we've got fresh squeezed lemons in there, and I'm just going to top it up a little bit more beer on top of that. So it's about 3/4 of a beer inside that. And then once I get the chicken down on top of this setup, I'm going to pour some more beer into the pan there. So that enough said about that. Let's get started with what I do with the chicken. So here we go. Costco chicken, good old Costco chicken. I patted it dry, and I'm going to move on to create a base that the spices and whatnot will hang on to, and that will be used with I got about 1/3 cup of olive oil. So I'm going to just pour it on there and just get started pounding it around there. So here we get started. You want to go inside because you want a lot of the spices to go inside the chicken as well. That way you spice everything, because remember, because of the chicken skin, it's all a combination of it doesn't go into the spice doesn't go into the meat as readily as you would think because of the chicken skin. So anyway, there we go. That is all lathered up in oil. Now I'm going to start with some spice. Get rid of that so I can at least grab the chicken. Okay, gonna go with our classic here, beer can chicken rub. So Cabela's beer can chicken rub works awesome, and I do a little bit of this. And again, you want it on everything. You want the rub on absolutely every part of the chicken. You can never have too much rub on this stuff. So that's good. There. Scatter the rub everywhere. Lots of it. Lots and lots. You can never have too much. Inside as well. Because the way the beer can is it steams inside there. And the lemon juice and the onion juice and the onions and everything, all the flavors come out of that. Oh yeah, and everybody loves the Pope's nose. Especially my dad. His favorite part of the bird. Here we go. Okay, so I've got enough of the beer can chicken rub. I've also done a combination. I've liked the beer can chicken rub that it comes with, but I've also got involved in here, added into here, is just a regular chicken rub here, if you want to show it. This one here. It's just a Cabela's Competition Barbecue Rubs, and it's just a chicken rub. It tastes really good. I find the combination of the two is just dynamite. So just about done here. You get every little bit of that chicken. That's looking really good, actually. It's looking fantastic. Now we're going to go on with the garlic. And you know what they say, garlic's good on everything. So let's go with rubbing garlic on it. Garlic's a little easier, not so chunky. That's good. Oh yeah, look at that. Damn, it's going to taste good. And again, every little bit you can put inside helps the flavor of the meat. Here we are. Okay, oh, perfect. Just out of. Now, so here we have it. We've got the chicken all ready to go on top of the beer can. It's a bit of a tricky little affair to do it by yourself, but here we go. I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, oops. Let me just do it this way. Up over top. Perfect. Gotta love that when it happens. That's perfect. Okay, Mr. Chicken. You're about to meet your smoker. That's perfect. Here we go. And I'm going to put a little bit more beer into the beer canned chicken part, because the beer causes the steam from the beer makes a fantastic flavor. So beer in the bottom, onions, lemons. I sprayed the bottom of this little pan with the cooking spray there just to keep it from sticking and whatnot. So it's all ready. I am going to get it set up and downstairs on the smoker in a matter of minutes. So stay tuned and I'll bring you back from the smoker itself. Okay, we're back. We're in the cool Geerage at the moment, where I've got the smoker all set up, the Traeger electric smoker. Today we are using hickory chips again for the beer can chicken. Filled up the hopper, ready to go. Smoke is on, it's heating up. I'm going to be heating the Traeger to smoking temperature of 215 degrees. It's now almost 1 o'clock. I plan on smoking this for about 3 to 4 hours, and that will be perfect temperature to enjoy it at. So, okay, here we go. I have got the thermometers, the 2 meat probes. One is in the leg, and the other one is in the chicken breast itself. And I will put those set it up and get it all ready. So you always want to use meat thermometers because you never want to cook the meat too much. And again, you got to be quick. You want to be able to get this meat into the thing as quick as possible and get the door closed so it maintains the heat. That's one thermometer. So one of my thermometers is from the Traeger. It's built into the Traeger. Great option to have. And the other one is a separate one. So there we go. We are just put it on at close to 1 o'clock, and we will show you the effects in about 3 to 4 hours. But we always monitor the temperature so it never gets never goes overcooked or undercooked. It's very important. Chicken, pork, you name it, it's got to be done a certain way. So here we are. We will show you the results in the end. Welcome back, YouTubers. So here we are. Beer can chicken, cooked at about 207 degrees to 250. It has taken us 4 hours to get to this point, almost 4 hours exactly. So here we are. It's reached an internal temperature of 165, which is perfectly awesome for beer can chicken. It's our temperature that we have got and we're going to work with, and this is it. So basically we are ready. I am going to attempt to do this by myself. Normally there's 2 of us, but I'm going to try and lift it off of here. There we go. Right up and off. That is absolutely perfect. Just lay that down before you there. Check that out. Beer can chicken at its finest. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than that. So here we are. Yep. I'll just give her a little bit of a slice. Like that. Good there. Okay, so I'm just going to pull off one of the drumsticks. I should comment. See my nice knife? It's a nice Shun knife, Japanese, from Jake. Thanks, Jake. Thing is absolutely deadly razor sharp. I don't even like to mess around with this thing. Meat and bones just are scared of the Japanese. So here we go. But it is looking fantastic. Got a little bit in here. You can see, oh, nice juicy meat. Nice juicy meat. Look at that. Lots of moisture in that. Look at the juice there. Wow. That is phenomenal. Well, there we have it. Look at how juicy that is. You can't go wrong with that. That is a deadly beer can chicken. And you know what? All that nice skin on the outside. I couldn't ask for a better finish. I won't bore you with the cutting of the chicken. You've seen it. You've seen how moist it is. We've reached its internal temperature. That's really well done. So anyway, that's another video. If you guys would do me a favor and like the video, and if you do like it, subscribe to my channel. That way you can get other videos that I make. So hey, Bruce from the cool Geerage kitchen, beer can chicken episode signing off.